Casement window installation in Frisco is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality, especially with Casement Windows Frisco. With a variety of window style options available, you can select the perfect design to complement your home's architecture. Our custom window solutions in Frisco ensure that each installation is tailored to meet your specific needs, providing both beauty and efficiency. Energy-efficient windows in Frisco are essential for reducing energy costs and improving indoor comfort, and Casement Windows Frisco are a popular energy-saving option. By choosing double-glazed windows, you can significantly decrease heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Insulated window units in Frisco further enhance energy efficiency, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Window frame replacement in Frisco is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows, including Casement Windows Frisco. Over time, frames can become damaged or warped, leading to drafts and energy loss. Our Frisco window frame replacement services ensure that your windows remain secure and efficient, providing long-lasting performance. Window seal installation in Frisco is vital for preventing air and moisture infiltration in Casement Windows Frisco. Damaged seals can lead to condensation and increased energy bills. Our Frisco window seal installation services address these issues, restoring your window's functionality and efficiency. Custom window solutions in Frisco offer a personalized approach to window design and installation, including Casement Windows Frisco. Whether you're looking for unique window style options or specific features like window UV protection, our team can create the perfect solution for your home. Window hardware upgrade in Frisco enhances both the functionality and security of your windows, especially Casement Windows Frisco. By replacing outdated or damaged hardware, you can improve the ease of operation and ensure your windows remain secure against potential intruders. Frisco window glass replacement is necessary when dealing with cracked or broken panes in Casement Windows Frisco. Our window glass replacement services in Frisco provide high-quality glass that enhances both the appearance and performance of your windows. Window maintenance services in Frisco are essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows, including Casement Windows Frisco. Regular maintenance can prevent issues like window condensation and leaks, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Window screen installation in Frisco is a practical solution for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in through Casement Windows Frisco. Our Frisco window screen installation services provide durable and aesthetically pleasing screens that enhance your home's comfort. Window weatherproofing in Frisco is crucial for protecting your home from the elements, particularly around Casement Windows Frisco. By sealing gaps and cracks, our window weatherproofing services in Frisco help prevent drafts and moisture infiltration, improving your home's energy efficiency. Frisco window sash installation is necessary when dealing with damaged or malfunctioning sashes in Casement Windows Frisco. Our window sash installation services in Frisco restore the functionality and appearance of your windows, ensuring they operate smoothly. Window hinge replacement in Frisco is important for maintaining the proper operation of Casement Windows Frisco. Damaged or worn hinges can lead to difficulty in opening and closing windows, compromising both security and convenience. Frisco window lock installation enhances the security of your home by providing reliable locking mechanisms for Casement Windows Frisco. Our window lock installation services in Frisco ensure that your windows remain secure against potential break-ins. For top-notch casement window installation in Frisco, Casement Windows Frisco are our specialty. Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows Frisco residents trust. Whether you need window frame replacement or double-glazed windows Frisco, we have the expertise to enhance your home's comfort and style. Our custom window solutions Frisco are tailored to meet your specific needs, ensuring satisfaction with every project. Window maintenance services Frisco are essential for preserving the longevity and performance of Casement Windows Frisco. From window seal installation Frisco to window caulking services Frisco, our comprehensive offerings keep your windows in peak condition. We also provide window weatherproofing Frisco to protect against the elements, ensuring your home remains cozy and energy efficient. Upgrade your home with our window hardware upgrade Frisco services designed for casement windows Frisco. We offer window hinge replacement Frisco and window lock installation Frisco to enhance security and functionality. Our window screen installation Frisco ensures you enjoy fresh air without the intrusion of pests. For those seeking window noise reduction Frisco, our solutions provide a quieter, more peaceful environment. Frisco window glass replacement is a breeze with our expert team handling casement windows Frisco. We handle everything from window pane replacement Frisco to insulated window units Frisco, ensuring your home is both beautiful and energy efficient. Our window style options Frisco allow you to choose the perfect look for your home, while our window UV protection Frisco and window tinting services Frisco shield your interiors from harmful rays. Address window condensation solutions Frisco with our professional services for casement windows Frisco. We offer window leak installation Frisco to prevent water damage and maintain the integrity of your home. Our window sash installation Frisco and window trim installation Frisco services restore the beauty and functionality of your windows, ensuring they operate smoothly for years to come. For those in need of window security features Frisco, casement windows Frisco benefit greatly from our reliable solutions. Our window glass replacement Frisco and window UV protection Frisco services not only enhance security but also improve energy efficiency. Trust us for all your window needs, from casement window replacement Frisco to window maintenance services Frisco. Choose our window caulking services Frisco to enhance casement windows Frisco with a seamless finish that improves both appearance and performance. Our window condensation solutions Frisco address common issues, ensuring your windows remain clear and functional. With our window noise reduction Frisco services, enjoy a quieter home environment, free from external disturbances. Our window tinting services Frisco offer both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits for casement windows Frisco, reducing glare and protecting interiors. For comprehensive window maintenance services Frisco, rely on our expertise to keep your windows in top condition. From window seal installation Frisco to window weatherproofing Frisco, we provide solutions that stand the test of time. Experience the difference with our custom window solutions Frisco designed around casement windows Frisco. Our team is dedicated to providing the highest quality window frame replacement Frisco and double-glazed windows Frisco. With our insulated window units Frisco, enjoy improved energy efficiency and comfort. Trust us for all your window needs, from window hinge replacement Frisco to window lock installation.